So a while back, I got interested in game development and wanted to try my hand at making a Roblox game. I knew from the jump I wanted to make a sports game, and Handball seemed the easiest to make out of all of them. So I made a game titled Scuffed Handball. As the name suggests, it wasn't the greatest, and after a couple of months I stopped developing the game. But now, I'm coming back to it with the skills that I've learned since then to try and make it better than ever. This is Project Handball. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Project Handball devlog. Once again, it's been honestly a little bit since I've uploaded the last video, and that's for good reason. As you can see, I've made a bunch of different things, and let's start with the obvious. And by the obvious, I mean this giant-ass stadium that I made. So I made this stadium from scratch. Obviously, I didn't make the seats or anything. I pulled that from the toolbox. I had to recolor them, though, because they were, like, bright red. But yeah, I modeled the entire stadium around it, and, you know, I think I'm pretty happy with it. I'm planning on having multiple different maps, and speaking of multiple different maps, I've opened up a public testing server for stuff that I want to add into Project Handball at a later date. You can expect some features to be on there before I even like put them in videos. And yeah, so basically this is the stadium map. This is going to be the default map and everything that starts. I'm pretty happy with it, like I said, and yeah, that's basically the stadium bit. The next thing I added is actually, I have to hit play. This, I'm really happy with this loading screen. I think this loading screen looks pretty well, or pretty good. Jesus, my English is terrible. I'm recording this at 10:30 at night, right after the Bruins just lost Game 3 to the Panthers because they're bums. But anyways, I have the loading screen that starts when you open up the game and everything. You know, you can still go through the GUIs and everything like that. Settings, whatnot. And then you can play, and you'll be in the stadium. I need to add noises and everything still, like crowd noise to the stadium and everything like that. And the final real thing that I added was actually this, a shot clock. It isn't perfect, as you can see. There's a little bit of a delay between picking up the ball and the shot clock actually starting, and I'll fix that later. But yeah, I added a shot clock which actually works. So if I were to pick up the ball and then just wait the 10 seconds, you can see shot clock violation, and then it resets the shot clock to 10 and everything, and it works. You can also see that I actually did a couple other things. So if I step in the crease, now it says crease violation instead of out of bounds. And if I throw it out of bounds, it, you know, still says out of bounds. And that's all one text label, actually. If I go to starter GUI, and you'll be able to see in temp GUI, because I'm planning on remaking all of the GUIs for like out of bounds, crease violation, and shot clock violation to be actually good looking UI and not just a single text label. But you can see it's just one violation label that for each thing I manually code the text to be different. And yeah, that's basically it. I know this is another short one, but it was mainly modeling. Once again, check out the testing place in the description. Tell me if you like the map that I have up there. The map that I have in that server currently is like a crystal mine map that I think turned out pretty nice. It's not completed 100%. That's a glitch. What? But yeah, anyways, the crystal mine map in the testing place, it's not completed 100%, but that's basically the basic outline of what I want it to be. And yeah, tell me if you guys like it, if you want me to actually put it in the game and whatnot. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel, by the way. I mean, like 600, what are we at now? Like 630 subs? That's crazy. I started this channel back in March. It's just like a passion project, and now I have 630 people watching my videos. That's insane. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.